Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Merry Christmas to All stamp set. Keep an eye out for this month because I will be doing a class focusing on the stamp set and die, but today we're just going to focus on the stamp set and of course the Snowfall Thinlit, this large snowflake. It's gorgeous. You were able to order the stamp set and die on Thursday, last Thursday. It was the 1st of November, and of course I have done a class on that. If you haven't heard about it, head to my blog, sunstampin.com, under the online class offering, and you can see what I'm talking about. So I have stamped the Season's Greetings from Our Home to Yours on crumb cake cardstock and with Versamark ink, which is a clear sticky ink that will hold onto the embossing powder. And because this is on the cardstock, I'm sort of heating it from the front and from behind. I also realized that it was crooked and I don't care. So this the snowflake is being cut out of that fuzzy paper. I can't explain to you what exactly it feels like. It feels like velvet, but it's paper. And it's very cool. And it definitely has a fun, playful effect. So, and when somebody touches the snowflake, they're definitely going to feel it. So it looks fantastic. It cuts like a dream. And I just put a little bit of Tombow mono adhesive, wiggled that snowflake into place, and I will use a glue dot to adhere my snowflake trinket to the center. It's a super quick and simple card, but I love this type of thing. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Bye.
Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.